Alright, it's Mark Dulisse here, and in this video I'm going to show you how the nav bar works, and you'll see a nice flyout nav bar here with links. It has little icons there that you have optionally put. I have a little separator between the two that's also optional. Right now I have there's a little menu bar here that's black, and I have it transparent. I'll show you exactly what I mean. If I go to my WordPress dashboard, you'll see that this is the menus. But first of all, I want you to go to one of the plugins that comes with this WordPress theme. It's called Mega Menu. You want to click on here, and you want to set up the global options. Now you can set up as many menus as you want. It's really, really cool. But first of all, you need to set the defaults for it. And it has a lot of different options. There's training on it, and the theme automatically has 5 responsive menus, responsive menu, then 1, 2, 3, 4, there's 5 altogether. Header, footer, top bar as well. You can add as many menus as you want. You'll see here that there's a number of themes, and you can choose and you can save a lot of different themes. This one is called default, but you can create a new theme and set the style and the colors of the menu. And right now I have set the everything to transparent, so you see a little transparent here. The menu background, if you click on here, color picker, this is black, but go all the way to the left and it's transparent. I've done that, and you can just play around with it. I set the hover to be yellow, so if I go on this one right here, you'll see that on hover it's yellow. You see when if I hover over this one it's yellow, and so forth. The one that's selected is yellow as well, so if I click on buy now, and that's hover, that's yellow as well, so now it's yellow. And this is all set up inside this option here. And there's the main panel and so forth. All right, so that's you can set as many menus as you want and different themes. You can create a new theme and then save the settings. Once you've done that, you simply just go to your menu, go to menus, and here it's straightforward. So I'm going to name this one. I've already done it. You want to name it MP responsive menu for Maxima player responsive menu, and I just named this one. And the menu settings for this one is going to be set for this right here. That's the theme locations, and I'm going to come and I'm going to edit this, and I'm going to save it. And I'm going to save it. There we go. And when I save it, you'll see that the mega menu options are available. So you want to enable it. You want to have this on. You want to make sure you save that, just like that. And then I'm going to do some pages here. I've created one page already. It's the Google IMA ad. I'm going to click this, add this to the menu. There it is there. And then I'm going to add some custom links. The custom links are simply straightforward. It's going to be called features and then buy now, and then all the pages and menu options are below that. Features and buy now. And I'll show you how you do this. I'll just go to custom links, and I'll just put this number sign, and I'll put buy now. There we go. Add that to the menu, and then I'm going to put another one called number sign and features. So these are non-clickable, and these are just the top part of the menu. And I'll put this one on top, and then the buy now, and then this one will be part of the first window. So features, and under that is Google IMA image ad. So if I come down below, it says features, and it's going to be one of these options here. Okay, I'll show you how this works. Now what you want to do is you want to save it. You want to save it, and when you save it, then you'll have options to add the mega menu options. So now it is saved. So now when I hover over this, you'll see a little button that says Mega Menu. So I want to hover over that. And you'll see here it says 6 columns. I'm going to do that. And instead of the flyout menu, I'm going to select the Mega Menu. And when I do that, here's all the menu items that I have in here. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. That's too big. I'm going to have it just like this. Okay? Perfect. So I'm going to, that is saved already, and you'll see there that has a menu icon, and I'm going to, there's a lot of different icons that you can add, but I'm going to add this one right here. It says There's a buy now, there's a cart button, and this is kind of like a little speaker there. Okay. So once again, all right, so features, I'm going to put the little, what do I want to have for features? What sign? There's a lot of, you can add custom ones and all kinds of neat things. For features, I'm going to have, which one do I want? A little light bulb, how about that? Okay. And that's going to be the icon, so it is saved. And I'm going to make that disappear. And now for the Google IMA ad, I'm going to click on there, and I'm going to add an icon for this. Okay, there's the icon. And I'm going to add a little arrow that goes like this. There you go. And it's saving, and it's finished. Great. So now I'm going to simply just save the page, or save the menu. And now I'm going to show you how this works. Now you can add this to any page, or you can add it globally. I'm going to add it to a page. Here's my page here. And you'll see here that if I come down below, and this is the back-end editor. Okay, and you'll see it says Maxima Press Nav Menu. You can add menus right here. So if I delete this, and if I click on it again, you'll see here that I go to Maxima Press, and there's a category called the Maxima Press Nav Menu. And I can select the menu that I've created right here. So here's the primary navigation. I'm going to select menu 1, and I want to have it in the center. Now you see that it's transparent, and the reason why I did that is because I have the background here. The background for this, I set the background right here. The background is black. Here's the design options, and I went and set the background to black. You see that? So the whole, I just created a column, and this is the whole column right here. Okay, and so the menu is transparent, and it just picks up on the background. That's all I did. So I just created a row. It is a row and a black background, and I added a menu in there with the menu is transparent. So let me just click on update on this, and I will show you the page so far. It does not have a header, but I will show you the nav bar. So if I click on right there, there's right there. You see that? So features, there's a little pop-up. It has one flyout, or the flyout it's called, and features is yellow. If I hover over the buy now, so I'm going to add to cart icon on the buy now, and I'll show you how that works. So go to the buy now, go to the mega menu, and I'm going to add the menu item that is the add to cart. So where's the add to cart? There it is right there. Okay, so it's saving up here, and that's done. Okay, that's all done. So let me just refresh this, and here's right there, and there's the buy now button. Has a little add to cart. Now it has a little separator. If you don't want the separator, that is inside the global options of the mega menu. So if I go to mega menu, and if I go to the menu item, the menu themes, you'll see that there's a separator that I have selected, and I'll show you where that is. Menu divider right here. Menu item divider. I have it enabled, and the color is white. So I can select anything that I want. I can also have an opacity on there as well. Okay. Do I want to highlight the current item? I can have, that's also enabled. So it's very powerful, and it works great. And I love this menu system. And this is part of the Maxima